right, so the first day in Vegas was a little bit of a bust. My bike totally didn't make it on the plane. Luckily, I have an air tag. So now I'm back on the way to the airport to pick that bike up, then build it. We did it, we got the bike. So psyched, ready to go build this thing up at the strap.
Oh, it looks like another punch. Squash. All right, so we are out here at the Southwest Ridge. I highly underestimated how much colder it was gonna be here than it was where I was. I am freezing already, but I'm hoping I can climb my way into being warm. All those mountains out there covered in snow. As we get up onto the trails, you won't have to look at the GPS so much. Okay, I love it. This is serious work though. For me, it's extremely hard to tell distance. Like that stuff, we flew over 40 minutes before we got here. So those mountains aren't close, the white ones. And that ground, I can't tell if it's close or far away. I don't think you can tell on the camera. That's a significant drop to my left. Yeah, for real. Big time. Try to stay away from the pokey guy there. So it looks like we're about to hop on Legalize It, which should have some exposure. So this should be fun. There's a lot of wind. Holy crap. Whew. Caught my foot back there. Found a little drop. That's sweet. Oh. Up. Oh. All right, so we're high up here. I was just looking down the edge. But we're up here. Now there's some spot around here that's specific for pictures, and it's right here. Okay. I was just about to head the wrong way. Yeah, so Southwest Ridge, super cool trail, for sure. Gap there, there. Phew. Okay, back up we go. So we were, let's see if we can look back. That's really far down. We were just on that cliff right up there. It's pretty crazy out here. It's super crazy, honestly. I love it though. Okay, so this is pretty high exposure. I'm gonna go ahead and put seat down so we just have maximum control of the bike. You go off that stuff and whoo, bad day. Oh, it looks like we could have taken a high line. Good thing I redid my suspension, because man, it feels good. camera's just not gonna do justice. Yeah, so I think that was the initial cliff we were on right there. So I couldn't tell the drop was that big when I was up there. I'm from the woods of New England, so this is wild to me. Like, I just stood on that cliff. I don't even know how far up that is, but it's certainly not close to the ground. I mean, right now, I'm not trying to look at it, but to my right, I mean, that's a sheer drop. You go off this, and you probably, you're not living. Oh, it looks like another punch coming up on the edge of a cliff. Let's see. You made it. Oh, almost hit a cactus. I've never ridden around these things, so I don't know how, if you can just hit it and you're fine, or if you run it over, does it just pop the tire like pretty much guaranteed? So if somebody in the comments could answer that, that would be awesome, because I have no clue. Take a high line. Okay. This stuff is for sure technical. It's cool. Okay, so this is that fast and loose side hit. If we go down it, we gotta come back up it. Might as well though, let's see. This is unnamed. Thank you, single track sampler, for this line. It just ends right up here. And that's it. We're gonna go back up and take the normal trail down. So what I just rode down is all this stuff, which doesn't look like anything going down it, but it's pretty steep little janky rock. I hopped up there into here. Grandfather just passed this October, and I'm about to eat a granola bar. Seems like a good spot, and I see this trash on the ground, and one of the things he taught me is you just don't leave that. It's not your trash. Pick it up, bring it back, you can carry it out, it's not a big deal. So we'll take this back with us, but that's something my grandfather always did. Always grabbed other people's trash and take it out of there. Woohoo! This wind, man. God, what a crazy time this is. Woo! Wish my buddies from back home were here to see this stuff. See if we can hop up this. Woo! The wind! Oh my God! That was a perfect storm. Oh, a gust of wind and a pop. All right, the wind stopped and then the GoPro died, so we just hiked back up, swapped batteries. We're trying to get down there. The wind has not stopped. Woo! That's jank. Oh. I don't know, I think this is bipolar that we're headed down. Okay, that's a sweet little drop. We're gonna hit that. Woo! Went offline a little. Okay, this is bipolar right here. We're officially on bipolar. Okay, up, Like that. The wind blowing me everywhere. This rock is just so cool compared to what I'm normally riding on. Okay, so that's the big drop. We're gonna try to wait for the wind. Calm. Squash. It is absolutely beautiful out. We're trying to wait on the wind so we can hit this drop, but it's just not stopping. Woo! So we just squashed it. Didn't go for the air there, but man, that was cool. Felt good. Oh my God. That was serious tech back there. So I believe we came from right over there. We're gonna head back that way, see if that gets us out of here. Boy, did I have fun out here. This was Southwest Ridge. I'll make a correction if needed. We took good call up, legalized it around, and bipolar down. Man, that was fun. That was my first ride in Nevada ever, so I figured it'd be a good introductory ride. So I'll see you guys out there. Thank you for watching. I love it here. Ended up being beautiful. We drove through the rain to get here, and that was just a great time. So we're gonna head out of here, get rested up, get some food, head up to the top of the Strat, and go again tomorrow.